Hi guys, welcome on today's video. My name is Anne from Anne's Kitchen, Kenya. Today we are going to make carrot chapati, soft layered. We started with salt and sugar, but if you don't use sugar, just use salt. I prefer my chapatis with sugar and salt. Then we grate in our carrots, flour, I have not put any measurements because you just cook depending on your family, depending on how large your family is or how small your family is. I added in warm water, not hot, not cold, just warm. Knead your dough to be soft. Almost the final kneading, you add your fat, your cooking fat. If you prefer using oil, it's okay. For my chapati, I prefer using cooking fat, and I used cowboy. And make sure that when you're finished kneading your dough, that the basin is clean, your hands are clean. That's an indication of a perfect kneading. Cover your dough with cling film or a kitchen towel. I covered mine with cling film and a wet kitchen towel for 30 minutes. And please guys, if you like this video, please give it a like, share it and subscribe. Now after 30 minutes we return to our kitchen floor. Dust your working area. This is a mixture of margarine and cooking fat. Apply the mixture to the dough, and as shown, just follow the procedure. By the way, my 1 kg packet of flour produced 15 rolls. It depends on how thick or thin you want your chapatis to be. Into the hot pan, start placing your rolls. Enjoy the process. This is our final product. Very well cooked, very well layered. And very tasty and yummy. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Until the next one.